Okay, so I just got this today. This is not a bank, it's a toy, it's a game. So there are these little things here that are foods. See, there's garlic and there's pizza and stuff like that. So apparently you put the food in, you do the crank here, and then if the food is really stinky after a certain point, it makes the steam come out and it burps. So let me just put this on like that, okay? And then I'll have to crank that 3 times. 1. Okay, so it ate that. So now I'm going to do an onion. And you do it however many times according to what's on the thing there. So let's try pizza. And this is a game, so basically when he does burp, the game is over, and whoever he burped on lost the game. Okay, this one is, I don't know what this is. What's this one? Is that maybe a ice cream or something? Okay. Oh, and you put water in here too. The ears come off. Okay. Let's try some more. Oh, cola. Cola's good. Okay, that's just about the coolest thing ever.